We are solving numerical problem related to the chapter force of class 10. In previous classes, I told you 5 important equations which we used in previous classes to solve the numerical problem. Now I am doing 6th one, which requires something other than the previous equation. Let's start with this. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and radius is 6400 kilometer. What will be the weight of meteor having mass 1000 kg at the height of 10 km from the earth's surface? Now I want to show you the situation. This is, let's say this is earth, and its mass is given capital M and its radius is given capital R, and a meteor is told it is at certain height, H height is given, and the gravitational force between this meteor and the earth is asked, and mass of this meteor is also given, and the gravitational force between these two is asked. That means the weight of this meteor. Weight of the meteor means the gravitational force of the earth acting on that meteor. That's why weight or gravitational force is equal to what? This is our question. This is the situation of this question. I want to write the information. Look at this. Mass of the earth is given. This is capital M. 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And radius is also given. Radius capital R. This is equal to 6400 kilometer. And we know we have to use meter SI system, and multiplying it with 1000 it can be converted to meter. Now this was meter, and this big number should be converted to power of 10. 6.4 point is taken from this place to this place, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits left hand side. That's why 10 to the power 6 meter. Now next is mass of meteor. Mass of meteor is small m. This is equal to 1000 kg, and height from the surface of the earth is given. It is 10 kilometer. Kilometer should be converted to meter by multiplication with 100. This is 10,000 meter. Now these are the given. Now one thing is missing, z is missing. Now I want to tell you that this equation requires gravitational force of earth acting on this meteor, and gravitational force is present in these two equations, and our situation is coinciding with this. I will say F is asked, capital G we know, capital M is given, small m is also given, and R is also given, but extra height is there. That's why we can create another equation. This is 6th equation, in which F equal to G capital M small m by R plus H whole square. Now we are going to calculate this force of attraction, that is the weight of this meteor. Now let's come back here. We know G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. We have F equal to G capital M small m by R plus H whole square, and this is equal to value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. I am not writing unit. I will write unit in answer only. In the process it is not necessary to write unit. Into M is how much? 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg into small m. Where is this small m? It is here, into 1000 and divided by capital R. Capital R, here it is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 plus small r is small h is this much and this is square. Now this is equal to, now I'm going to multiply this 6.67 into 6 is equal to 40.02 is equal to 40.02 into 10 to the power minus 11, and here we have same base, that's why 10 to the power minus 11 plus 24. This 1000 can also be written in terms of power of 10. 10 to the power 3 is 1000, that's why 10 to the power minus 11 is written plus 24 plus 3. Now we have here plus sign. This is not multiplication sign, that's why we have to convert this into normal number and we have to add these two. That's why 6, 4, here we have 10 to the power 6, that's why 1 gone, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 10,000 and this whole square, and this is equal to 40.02 into 10 to the power 24 plus 3, 27 minus 11 equal to 16, and this here we have 6410000, so whole square. Now here, or f is equal to 40.02 into 10 to the power 16. I want to convert this into power of 10 again. 6.41 into 10 to the power 6. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. If we take decimal point to 6 digit left hand side, then 6.41 into 10 to the power 6 square. Or f is equal to 40.02 into 10 to the power 6. Now 6.41 square. 6.41 square means this is equal to 41.0881. 41.0881 into 10 to the power 6 square means 10 to the power 12. Here it is 16, not 6. 16. Okay, or f is equal to, now 40.02 divided by 41.0881 gives 0.97400. 0.97400. We don't have to write a lot of numbers. Okay, into 10 to the power 16, and if this 10 to the power 12 is taken to the numerator, then 10 to the power minus 12, or f is equal to 0.97400 into 10 to the power 16 minus 12. Therefore, okay, let's go to another step also. F is equal to 0.97400 into 10 to the power 4. Therefore, f is equal to, when it is multiplied by 4, 10 to the power 4, then what happens? 9740. After this there are zeros, another 0, that's why I want to write the answer as 9740 Newton. Force is measured in Newton. Lastly, we have to write unit, that's why this much Newton. This way we can solve another type of numerical problem using another equation.